Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to do pre-order in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to log in through your admin page, and here you can see there are multiple tabs available on the left side. So what we need to do, just you have to select the products option on the left side. So simply click here. So when you open this, so you can see here I have already added this product. So simply I will open this, and after that here you can see the title here. So simply what you need to do, just you have to add the pre-order in title of any product. So like I am adding this. So you can also add the pre-order in the description. So in this way you can easily do a pre-order on Shopify.